You got the wrong guy. I'm the dude, man.
Road trip!
Hey y'all, welcome to the Dude Flips. Hey y'all, welcome to the Dude Flips, where we go to garage sales. We find cool stuff. In this one, we went to Austin, Texas on a little road trip 2 hours away. Check it out. How's it going? Not bad. You don't happen to have a PSP, do you?
Not.
You don't? Okay.
No.
Yeah. Makes sense. Any other cool stuff, old toys, any stuff like that?
No, we do these garage sales every time they have them, so.
So you just liquidate stuff? Yeah. Cool.
Just see what you want to see.
I got a, I think this one's empty. It's a 5. You mind if I take the extra
No,
case?
take it. No,
Okay. That's cool. Hey, how you doing?
Good.
Oh.
For anything particular today? Just browsing?
Just browsing. If you have any video games,
No.
I'm all about that. Okay.
Two daughters, so
Uh,
my husband didn't have time for them.
oh shoot.
Still have her old PlayStation.
Is this new?
Where's Waldo? Where's Waldo?
It's been done once.
It's been done? Okay.
Yeah, I just take this.
Oh, you take it, okay.
And when people open it up, or pieces
Mhm.
disappearing.
Would you deal if I bought both of the 3,000 pieces?
What are you thinking?
7?
Sounds good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. I appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
Mm-hmm.
Enjoy.
Yeah. Have a great day.
Thank
Hey, what's going on? What y'all doing today?
Good, how are you?
Not bad. Are these new?
Those are brand new.
They're brand new, but they're not brand new. They're brand new, 8 years ago or something.
Yeah. I'm just saying never used.
Never used.
Yeah. How much are you asking for the helmets?
Yeah.
$5.
5 each? Okay. Or 5 total?
No, 5 each.
Yeah, I'll do those. What about that? Does it say Jiggling George or something? Is it just like a for legs or something?
Do you deal with the aches and pain of everyday life? At Jiggle and George, we have something for you to try. The Jiggle and George New Life Exercise.
How much is that?
I'd make an offer.
We don't know what the market on leg shakers is these days.
I don't know. What do you do? $5 on it?
I don't know if I can go 5, maybe 10 or 15, but
I'll do 10. So 20 for all of it?
sure.
What do you want, 2 helmets?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The 2 helmets and then that.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah? Cool.
Thank you.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Have a good one. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Found some cool stuff there. That Jiggling George at the end was just a cherry on top. This is only part 2. The best is yet to come. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, like, all that stuff. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.